ano, 563. Galing. Why is she removing her? Because so many people need hair. That's crazy. It's a traditional here in Philippines. English, tama ba? It's our hobby.
It's a hobby
It's pampaantok.
and
Ah,
for those who want to relax and want to sleep,
tama.
those with insomnia.
Kulturang Pinoy,
Mm.
kulturang Pilipino. Mga lola namin na tunan namin sa mga lola-lola. Tama ba, Gom?
Oo, salin-salin lahi.
Salin lahi. Salin pamana. Uso ang TV dati. Malalaglag.
Mhm.
Dami pa rin.
Yan banda, ituloy mo dyan.
Puruhan natin dito. $533, $642. My goodness, thank you.
Thank you po.
Parang
Sabi ni Ma'am Nancy Hernandez, why Pool now he's going to get
804,
double?
804 first time, mag 800.
Baka ang mini niya he's going to be bald ba or dadami lalo? If
Okay.
dadami, yung white. If yung min nyo po ma'am is yung pag binunot ay dadami, yung white hair,
Yun ang ibig sabihin niya.
it's okay po. Kasi yung nire-remove naman po niya is yung mga maliliit na white hair. The small white hair. And then yung magbabald naman po is no worries naman po kasi
Mabalik.
marami naman pong tumutubo. Then sabi ni Ma'am Shemika Burton, why is she removing her hair? Because what so many people need hair. That's crazy. The white hair only, ma'am. He only removes the white hair. Because it's
It's our tradition. Our culture.
it's satisfying.
Ah.
You can feel sleepy and the itchiness. Yung mawawala po yung kate.